Hi, this is Kylie from Voodoo Rabbit, and I'm here again with Pauline from Funky Friends Factory. And today we're going to discuss using template plastic to make your pattern pieces so that if you make the same pattern over and over again, it can be a little bit more long wearing to have it made out of plastic. The other bonus is you can then use it to put on your fabric, you can see through it, and you can fussy cut your patterns. So as well as toys, you might find it's really good for making purses and other small bags. But anyway, so
over to you, Pauline.
Over to you, Pauline.
All right, so this is how we use template plastic. This is a sort of see-through, semi-see-through, opaque.
Yeah, you can kind of see how thick it is.
Sheet, and these are available at most fabric shops because they use them for
bag bases.
Bag base? Oh, really?
Yeah,
okay.
You can use it as a bag base.
All right, and then what pen are we going to be using? This is
I've just got a Sharpie, but any
permanent marker.
Permanent marker should stay on this.
All right, so
I've used pencil as well.
What I normally do is just trace out the pattern piece, and it's see-through, so you can see what you're tracing. And when you're on your own table, you can move it around so it's at the right angle, but tracing the piece outline. And then I do transfer all of the markings because I know I'm gonna use this many times. So that dashed line is the first line that we're gonna sew, and it's buttons. Best dressed bear. You can do this more neatly. And it's the ear, and we're gonna cut 4, and any markings that are on it, I will transfer all of those. Right, then you cut it out and make your template. Would you use fabric scissors for this, Carly?
I wouldn't.
No. So these are like paper scissors, but are they? They're really good scissors.
They're an all-purpose scissors. They're very sharp. They're the Soline snips. I actually love them for doing small, intricate trimming.
There you go. So get rid of most of it. So I've rough cut it, and now I'm going to cut it more accurately on the line and make my template.
There are template plastics you can put through a printer if you wanted to photocopy it. No.
Why not, Carly?
It's a lot thinner as well. It's a thinner plastic, so this is, as I said, this is what.
So that might be for people who have a printer. They can buy the PDF and then print it off on the paper that.
Yeah. Okay. But you'd have to look for it. I think I've seen it for English paper piecing and applique.
So looking at that, it does flex, but it's pretty...
That's going to last forever.
It's going to last forever. Now, this is the fun bit. So if you've got a fabric that has got a cute little picture on it and you want to place the thing in the center of your ear, you can move your template around until you can centralize that. Actually, we should be doing it on the wrong side of the fabric. So there we go.
You can even see it. It works wrong side as well.
So there's the panda's face. And then you just trace that out with your fabric pen or pencil and cut it out. And then I'll show you. It's just going to be right in the center of your ear piece. Isn't that clever?
Mm.
Right. So template plastic, permanent marker, permanent pieces. Perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.